Hey, fourth graders, we're going to look at another example of a fourth grade student's narrative writing. I sat down and started doing my homework. Olivia, Marshmallow's not moving, my sister said in a worried voice. He's probably taking a nap, I said, going back to my homework. No, he isn't breathing, she said. I looked up this time. Show me, I said, rushing over to the cage. There, she said, pointing. I looked at my hamster. He was lying on his side, not moving, with his small tongue sticking out. Tears stung my eyes. My sister poked him with the log. He didn't wake up in alarm like he usually did. She poked him again. Marshmallow didn't even open his eyes. I turned to my sister as tears rolled down my cheeks. Call Mommy, I said. As my sister called my mom, I started bawling. I felt like someone had taken out my heart. I love Marshmallow so much. He was my first pet. Also, why did he have to go so soon? This writer did a great job telling their story bit by bit. They used dialogue, and they showed how the feelings. She used very descriptive words. Here where it says she talked about the tears stinging her eyes. This writer did a wonderful job using the elements that we were talking about in narrative writing.